Hi, I'm Mike Stevenson, Technical Services Team Lead with Adaptive Display Solutions. In this video, I will show you how to replace a power supply in an A-series display. First, we disconnect power to the sign. There are a few ways to do this. The easiest, however, is to flip the breaker supplying the display with its main incoming feed. Our next step is to remove the driver board that resides just over the component we are trying to replace. If you'd like to know how to remove a driver board, please feel free to watch one of our other videos in the series, How to Remove an A-Series Driver Board. You see here that I already have the power disconnected, the driver board removed, and the power supply exposed. What I'm doing here is giving you a close-up view of the AC and DC power connections. On this power supply, the AC power connections are at the bottom, the DC are at the top. So we'll go ahead and we'll begin by removing the AC and DC power connections. All we're doing here is loosening the screws a bit, holding the wires down, and we can pull the wires off. Next, we're going to loosen the screws on the tabs that hold the power supply in place. There's one on the bottom and one on the top. So next step is to slide the power supply over a little bit, and she'll come right out. Now grab your new power supply and go ahead and put it in reverse order. Now what I do is I slide the power supply on there and I screw down the screws holding the tabs in place, and that allows me to work with two hands on the power supply's wires. Now, one thing I want to go ahead and point out to you is this ground jumper right here. You want to make sure that you take this ground jumper and you transfer it over to the new power supply. Final step is to connect the wires in reverse order that you took them out on. And there it is, power supply replaced, wires connected. Go ahead and put the driver board back on, re-energize the sign. And thanks for watching.